Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that manual trading can be stressful and emotionally draining. We've all been there, staring at ticks, trying to time the perfect entry, only to let emotions get in the way. But what if you could automate that entire process? Today, I'm showing you a game changer, PivotCore.net. This is a powerful auto trading platform specifically designed for Deriv traders. It takes the guesswork out of the equation and lets the system handle the execution while you focus on the strategy. In this video, I'm putting a very specific strategy to the test, the 4 over 5 under digit strategy. The beauty of this approach is its mathematical edge. By setting our parameters correctly on PivotCore.net, we aren't just gambling, we are trading based on probability. I've set a clear goal for this session. I'm going to run 10 trades, and my target is to secure 5 solid wins. This 50% win rate with the right payout settings is exactly how you build a sustainable account over time without over-leveraging. Now, let's look at why I use PivotCore.net. Unlike complex bots that require coding, this platform is incredibly user-friendly. You just connect your Deriv API, set your stake, and choose your strategy. It's built for speed and stability, which is crucial when you're trading digits. You can see on my screen how easy it is to toggle settings and monitor real-time progress. For those of you tired of sitting in front of a computer for hours, this automation is the freedom you've been looking for. Watch closely as the trades execute. You'll see the system analyzing the ticks and entering only when the conditions for our over-under strategy are met. We aren't chasing the market. We are letting the market come to us. As we hit our 5th win out of these 10 trades, you can see the discipline in action. No panic, no revenge trading, just pure automated execution. This is the difference between a trader and someone who just gambles on the platform. And there we have it. We hit our target exactly as planned. 10 trades, 5 wins, and a healthy profit added to the balance. If you are serious about your Deriv trading journey, you need to stop doing everything manually. Head over to PivotCore.net, check out the tools they offer, and start automating your success today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more automated trading strategies. See you in the next one.